Finally, the last thing for how you study is basically just a lot of like BS. There's a lot of things that aren't moving the needle, but they sort of feel like they do. Your emotions tell you that that you should do it, but they don't actually contribute to the goal. So like people who color code certain things or passively watch Spanish content without actually listening properly and pausing to see if they understand. Listening to Spanish music, there's stuff that we want to do because we think that it helps, like changing the language of your phone to Spanish, or like these small things that you hear online. In reality, none of those really move the goalpost. It's like mental masturbation. It's like this itch that we have to show that we're learning Spanish or that like we're color coding certain things. It's just stuff that don't actually matter that we want to do anyway. And so you can do them, but they do make your hour of study less effective. 10 minutes of it was spent on color coding and changing the language of your phone, for example, or stuff like that, right? But if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.